What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stocks and futures. All right, today, let me see. Oh, actually, let me make sure the stream is good. Okay, because we is getting a little lag right now. But today is Thursday, January 29th, 2026. Dang, gold is going crazy. Um, yeah, we finna go ahead and jump into these charts. But before we do, y'all know what we gotta do. We gotta pray. And yeah, so bow your head. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying thank you once again, Lord. Thank you for waking us up this morning. Thank you for being you. Thank you for being the head of our lives. Thank you for continuing to be amongst us day in and day out, Lord. Thank you for always caring and always being there for us, Lord. When we need you in a time of need, even when we having great days and being joyful, you still there caring for us, Lord, and being there for us and protecting us. Dear Lord, we come to you just saying thank you for continuing to show us grace. We ask for forgiveness of our sins or anything that we may have done that wasn't pleasing to you in your eye, Lord. I ask you to let us clear them things up. And if it's somewhere where we are struggling and it's extremely hard for us to overcome, Lord, that we come to you in prayer and ask for strength, Lord. I ask you to continue to bless us as we enter on these charts, Lord. Let us continue to learn and gain knowledge each and every day, no matter if we win, lose, or draw, Lord. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. All right. Market about to open. We did start the stream a little late. But market about to open. If you was in analysis last night, you good. I'm gonna kind of go over the analysis that I had for today, but hey, it's almost like if you want to see what I was looking for today, you gotta go watch the market analysis videos at night. Okay, you gotta watch them at night. So I do a brief, rundown though. So you do got that. So right now, looking at MNQ, um, currently sitting in this daily gap, trying to see, hey, is we gonna reverse down here at the bottom of the gap, start building an uptrend, and see if we can work our way back to the top of the gap, or will it break below the gap, and see if we break, retest, and drop to the downside to potentially come down here to this 25,998. I think we were speaking about that last night. I don't know why I didn't have it marked, but that's where I said I'll look to take my shorts down to if we breaking it below that daily gap. Okay, and I just put a white line. Put a white line there. All right, market is open. IBM hit $300 with the word IBM shot up $20. Right. Oh my goodness, I forgot I wanted to look at stocks. Yeah, futures. Everybody with futures, we're gonna have to wait because I gotta look at these stocks, man. I forgot them dang earnings. Um, and I already had took some future trade and made some money, so we gotta put it on the back burner for right now. We gotta look at these stocks. So Tesla, yeah, Tesla. I really didn't like how their earnings came out and played, so I'm not messing with them. I did like how Meta earnings came out, and Meta continued to shoot up. Let's see. If Meta make an uptrend, I think we're gonna take some longs. If Meta make an uptrend. And I need the uptrend to form. Oh, it's already making an uptrend. Wow. Dang, Meta, what should I do? What should I do? Let's set this alert here. I want to know if Meta can close above this high. I think I'm going to take some longs. So set alert. If Meta close above this hourly high, I think I'm taking longs. See if we can. Only thing that's it, I'll be taking the longs only for 2 days, because the contract gonna expire today and tomorrow. So really like one day. That's the only thing that's up. Because I know I'm not going to pay for it to go out 2 weeks. So I literally have to close past there. I'm going to have to get in. Or I had to get right back out at 746. Like, see, or 747, 748 area. Unless we can get a pullback. Where would the gap be? Cause it's too big of a gap. I'm not gonna mark that. Unless it's all the way over here to the left. Everybody with options, I mean everybody with futures, I'm sorry, y'all gotta wait. Cause we gotta get a piece of this earnings play, man. Gotta get a piece of these earnings, bro. It is a gap here that it could be bouncing off of. Let's just put lines there. I ain't gonna bring them gaps all the way over. Let's just put lines there to represent the gaps. Just the top of the gaps, that's all. There. Then we got another one here. But I ain't gonna mark that. I'm just gonna do those two for now. Let's see. I ain't got one. I was trying to see if it make an uptrend. It did make an uptrend, but that stop loss way too big. 712, that's a $30 stop loss. So at least at the worst, I need to, either we need to get a red hourly candle higher up somewhere and then come push up, make a higher high. I can get in then. Or I need us to close past this 742.99 and I just take the continuation and see if we can get to the top of this daily gap. So that's what I'm looking for Meta. I wanted to take them things shorts on Microsoft, but the pre-market it was already moving down. Last night we said we was gonna aim for 438, 433, but I said only if we can get it to come back up in its 470s, and it never did, bro. It just went straight down there to it. So didn't get our dang entry for Microsoft. This literally was because we didn't do our analysis on Microsoft the day before the earnings. We could have easily caught this Microsoft earnings. So I'm a little upset with myself on that. Can't lie. Microsoft might keep dropping though, cause it's closing past that low. Might keep dropping pretty decent. Nah, it's too far over. I think Microsoft might keep dropping, y'all. We might see it go possibly like 25, 425, maybe. Cause this 5 minute is closing pretty bearish. Let me pull up my Weeble. CrowdStrike. CrowdStrike dropped $20. Dang, CrowdStrike. It's back at 445. Wow. What the heck? Let's jump to that hourly. Clean downtrend. Is it trying to come back to 439? Too big of a stop loss for me though. So I need us to come. Let me move this alert. I need us to come break these lows. And then if we can build base underneath, then maybe take them shorts down to 434. But it's too big of a stop loss for me. Too big of a stop loss for me. Dang, that's a huge drop. Dang, man. A lot of the Meta and CrowdStrike, I mean Microsoft and CrowdStrike definitely dumped crazy at the open. But can't do nothing about it. Dang, boy, imagine grab one of these and that mud dropped $20 that fast. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to see if we can get a pullback or something. Let me delete some of these lines up. Some of these, we got too many lines going on. Clean this chart up some. And we finna get on the futures. But I'm just seeing this stuff dump. It's crazy. Gotta see how high that pullback gonna come. Check out Meta. Okay, Meta coming down. All right, we're gonna check out our futures. Um, we looked at that for enough. You know, we looked at it enough. That was a nice drop though. Dang, we probably missed. Yeah, we missed our futures trade. Oh my goodness, we missed our futures trade. I ain't gonna lie. It probably was a. Like I said, we made our money on futures already because I did get in some trades before the open, but we definitely could have ate this right here. I hope my boy Mel. Oh yeah, we got Mel on the phone. I had muted him, but I'm gonna get on and see if he got on because this was the trade me and him was talking about. If it break this hourly gap here, we was looking to take shorts. We break this hourly gap right here, we was looking to take shorts down to this 25,998 level. So if it close red, I probably grab one short and see if it can drop and go ahead and clean it up. I'm gonna turn the phone on with him though, so we got a guest. We got my boy Mel today. Yo, what up? Oh, you ain't get it? Dang, that was the trade me you was talking about. I'm trying to see if this is gonna be that continuation or not. This is a risky trade right here I'm taking right now, but I'm trying to see if this is gonna be that continuation to go take us down to that 25,998. But that's why I only took one. See if this this is risky though a little bit though, cause it could be consolidating. Cause the last solidified level all the way up there, so it can range all the way up here. You get what I'm saying? So all right, now I can bring it down to this high, cause then that'll clearly make a higher high if it push up. All right, see if we can get that last little drop to clear it up. Yeah, I'm only in one too, cause just cause it was a little risky. All we gotta do is take this thing low. Hopefully, shoot. But I don't mind taking this one risk. Like I said, I don't know if you heard on stream. I already had took a couple trades before the market opened. I was on gold, man. Caught me almost $300 on gold. Um, yeah. So I don't mind taking a little risk today. Okay, Tesla dropped to 425. Everything dropping. Dang, yeah. Yeah, that way the little. Yeah, it's gonna always be there. Come on, man. Drops and Tesla just dropped. They need to drop too. Dang, come on. It said Tesla dropped like $10 or $5. Okay, there we go. TP hit. Now it might keep going, but that was all I was looking for. A quick little 50 right there. All right, now I'm trying to see. Now if it closed below here, Mail, and we make a downtrend underneath, then I'm gonna take the shorts down to that daily gap at 25,947. So if we can make a downtrend underneath there, this 25,990. I think it was that 998 level I was looking. Oh no, let's say 996. Let me go check what that hourly low was. Cause I know it's a little different cause you on top still. Mine's is 25,996.25 for that hourly low. So you had to see what yours is. Yeah, so it's just a little bit off. But I'm looking for a closure below that, like basically 1 minute close below there, and then see if we can make a downtrend in there, or it might just close under there and go straight to that daily gap. It may not even give us the downtrend, so it could just go straight, continue straight to it. But I'm trying to wait on the pullback though. Yeah, but God dang, it look like they finna go straight down to it. Like they finna go straight down to it, but we gonna see, cause it could still make a green counter come next. Oh, I'm saying everything dropping. Market starting to drop, crowd starting to drop crazy. I told you, I said, bro, we gonna drop all the way down there, and that's a big old drop, wasn't it? I told you, man. I'm telling you, the more experience you get, and you make sure you charting up everything right, you gonna be able to tell where all the big plays at. Cause look, I had this drawing on Sunday. Can you see? I don't know if you can see my screen, cause I know you on your phone probably. But on my stream, I got this short sitting here since Sunday. I've been looking for that short since Sunday. If I was looking to be bearish, yeah. So that's what I'm saying. You'll be able to tell where the big trades will be at the more experience you get. That's. But I missed that because I was looking at them dang options. I was like, oh, it's like going straight to target, huh? I mean, it depends. If we moving fast, yeah, options gonna give you the most. But if we kind of like steady, like normal pace, probably futures, because options you gotta think that decay gonna come in. The fact that the longer your trade take, surely, dang, it hit target, so I can't do nothing about it at that point. It's still dropping. Now it would I was honestly I was supposed to get in two. I'm tripping. I ain't even think about that. I was supposed to get in two, sell one at first target, and then see if the next one can go to the second target. Cause I sure told myself that was a new rule I was gonna do. But it's alright though. It's alright. We'll get an entry somewhere. You gotta do some type of pullback at least. Oh, everything. CrowdStrike dropped to 438. Oh my good. Everything crashing, boy. What in the world? They sure is. CrowdStrike at 438. Microsoft dropped to 432. Tesla 426. Literally, CrowdStrike dropped $30. Microsoft dropped $48. Boy, that's huge for a stock. Most stocks moving like $3, $4 a day. To drop almost $50 in less than the first 15 minutes, that's crazy. That's why I was saying on stream, somebody bought that CrowdStrike right at the open, them shorts right at the open. Literally in 1 minute, where you made like 3,000 in 1 minute. Yeah, if you just got like $100 contract, that's it. Cause it dropped basically $30 in the first minute or two. So, trying to see what we gonna do here though. Let me go check out NYM cause what's the name just dropping too fast right now. Let me see what NYM doing. It's still taking its time. Dang, NYM shot up right at the. That was what we was talking about too, man. We said look for that bounce at 49,000 level. Yeah, it came right. It's consolidating. That what it is. Can you see my stream or nah? Cause look, I marked this out last night. I said it looked like it's doing a triangle. Look, and literally that what it's doing. So it's just ping ponging off this triangle. Eventually, it got to break out though, cause look at the triangle. It's finna close. You see that? So eventually, it got to break one of these directions, and it's gonna run pretty hard whichever direction it go. So I'm definitely looking forward to NYM trade. Nah, don't take that chance right now. You know, just aim for your quick your little 150 a day, something like that. hmm Yeah. Well, you just caught about what 48.50 right there. Okay, so like one more decent trade to get you up to that 100 at least. All right, it look like we starting to do pullbacks now. We just made a higher high. We starting to do some pullback now. Yeah, I'm on M&Q. All right, now remember we said if it can close below that hourly, make a downtrend under that hourly. Seeing what it's doing right here, cause they closed back above it. It's probably gonna have a decent pullback coming. Probably gonna shoot up pretty hard. See that hourly is red. That's the only thing you gotta be careful because this hourly might be trying to sit at this level, until the hour close. It might be trying to sit at that previous low. So you gotta be careful with that. We might start pretty much consolidating until around closer to that 9 o'clock. Yeah, and yeah, it is a lot of room. Especially if you break that previous lower high over there to the left on the 1 minute. But 5 minute definitely got a lot of room. 5 minute, it is a gap. It is a gap right there on the 5 minute though. It's a 5 minute gap that it could, retest. See if it can break below it. Stay below it, I mean. But only way I think we going up to that 5 minute gap is if on that 1 minute we build an uptrend above that 25,996 level. That's the only way I think. Cause we just broke above it, but the retest just failed because we closed right back below it. No, I said we probably can consolidate here until it gets to like 8:58 or a little after 9. It's probably gonna consolidate in this little area. Let me pull up my stocks charts on my other screen. Man, that beautiful day today though. I ain't gonna lie. I said a couple in pre-market. I did say I don't want to do that without y'all, but it was gold just had a little quick easy entry to the other side. I had to get that mug. I had to. I usually try not to catch no trades off stream because I want to make sure it's documented and everything. But yeah, trying to see what it's gonna do. That stop loss gonna be kind of big though. But if we close below them lows to the left, if we close below them lows, I might grab one short and let it go up like 10 $15. Then I'm gonna bring stop to break even instantly because I don't want my stop to be that big. 'Cause that pretty much gonna give back that trade we just took. So I think if we close below this low to the left, I think I'm gonna grab a short and then let it go up like $10 $15 and set stop loss to break even. But as if we close past it. If we just weak past it, I'm not gonna do it. But we can close past it. Cause we can weak past it and shoot right back up, keep consolidating. I needed the close pass for that continuation. Oh, CrowdStrike. Oh, CrowdStrike pushed back up $5. So yeah, everybody doing the pull. Everybody look like they pulling back right now. CrowdStrike came back up $5. Meta still Meta still dropping. Shoot, you gotta see, man. Yeah, Meta still dropping. That's a big drop too on Meta, boy. It opened up at 737. It's at 717. That's $20 drop from the open. On everything. You grab them shorts to take it to the low. Okay, I got you. I got you. Well, that's a good trade because I was thinking that it's gonna go down here. I just wanted to see it close below. That's all. Yeah. Yeah. It look like it closed right at it. Let me see. This low is 9, 10, 50. It closed right at it, right above it. Barely like a tick but above. They playing games because now this counter could very well just shoot down real hard. Or it can reverse, But they playing games. That's what it is. They try to catch somebody, boy. They try to catch somebody for real. Because you gonna be like, oh yeah, it closed below, and you grab on shorts and it shoot right back up on you. You gonna be mad in the mud. That's what's so funny. You gotta watch every single tick, bro. Like they literally one tick away from dang closing below. They ain't playing games. You gotta watch every little tick, and we even on the 1 minute. You know, if you gotta watch it that close to on the microscope. hmm And that's what I was telling you. I said only if it closed below because this is what I was thinking. It probably can bounce right back up on you if it don't close below. Shoot, try and see what it's gonna do. Probably shoot, it might even come all the way back up to that 25,996 level. Shoot, I don't know. Shoot, for real. I ain't even gonna make it go. I done got a little money off. I'ma leave that mother alone. I ain't getting them their money back. I'm sorry. No, they ain't finna take their money from me. Not today. Yeah, yeah. These Tesla shorts look good though. I ain't gonna lie. I think I'm about to grab these Tesla shorts. Yeah. Mm-hmm. See, with my options, I just put it on the hourly time frame and I just trade but strictly off the hourly. Because I let those run, do what they gotta do. Futures though, no, we gotta get in and out on the futures. They don't let that run on everything. Yeah, them shorts on Tesla probably about to come through. We gonna see. I wonder if they ain't Meta for real though, bro. But Meta like it need a couple more minutes before it get right. But that Tesla look like them shorts. Oh snap! I'm on here looking at these stocks. They must come right back down. Yeah, I think I'm about to grab a short if we break this low. I'm going for this short. All right, I'm in this short. I'm gonna set stop right at the top of this high though. So this would be kind of a big stop loss, but I'm only in one contract though. Cause it very well, like I said, we can be consolidated. It can come right back up and keep me out. So I really needed that close below. It did not close below though. That's the thing. But let me see. Like I said, I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna set it a break even probably. Um, once we get up like 10, 15, I'm gonna set it like $2. All right, I'm up 19. So I'll give it a couple seconds. All right, I'm setting it. I ain't trying to risk it bouncing back right now, so I'm gonna take at least $5 off this mud. Cause if it ain't closing below, it's like, dang, I don't want to play with it. It look like we got 7 seconds. It look like we finna get that close. All right, there we go. Nice drop. All right, nice. Start from the start when we said that hourly, where we said that hourly at, boy, up like $600-700 right now, boy. Probably even more than that. For real. I'm trailing real tight though. Cause I ain't got no target set. All right, I'm out. I took 56. It. Yeah. I think it still can drop pretty hard, but I didn't have no targets marked, so I didn't want to play around. Cause we might be coming to the hourly low at 25. If you go to the hourly, it's a low over there to the left. Yeah, it might be trying to go down there, so that's probably where it's trying to go to. Yeah, I think that's where it's trying to go to. Yeah, wait on the pullback and get back in. If it just goes straight to it, then leave it alone. But wait and see if we can get a pullback coming off this hourly and get back into it. But literally, that's exactly how I trade every day, bro. Like, if I'm gonna take it based off of my structure, so boom, we in the downtrend, I'm getting in on them shorts. Then boom, once it hit my target or something, and I'm already out, I gotta wait on the pullback. Oh, it shot straight through. Dang, bro. Dang. It's alright, it's alright. We got a daily gap right here though at that if you switch to the daily, it's a daily regular gap. We sitting at the bottom of it, so if we can build a downtrend underneath there, I'll be looking to take some shorts. But dang, bro, that mud shot down crazy. They out here playing game. Cause we slick could have kept our stop at the solidify level, but I was trying to trail because I ain't had no targets set. So I ain't think we was gonna drop this far today. I ain't think we was gonna drop this far today for real. So that's why I'm trailing. Y'all gonna see me trailing my stop today on this MQ because my main low that I was looking for today was at 25,996. I ain't think we was gonna come this far down. Yeah, I ain't think we was gonna drop this far down. So at that point, I'm just straight. I'm gonna get in based off straight, and I'm trailing stops because I don't know where it probably stop it and come back up. But that junk crazy drop, bro. Golly. I know I'm about 4 for the day. Cause I caught what 60, 70 right there. Okay, okay. Dang, it ain't getting no pullback. Is it finna go straight to the next daily gap? No pullback. I ain't playing with it though, 'cause that stop loss too high. That stop loss all the way up at the top, even on the 1 minute. Nah, if I'm on this 1 minute, it's at 25,000. Not that last green counter we had. You see that last green? 950. Yeah, around there. 5 minute, it'd have been at 26. That 26, yeah. You right, that 26 on the 5 minute. Jeez Louise, boy. What the world? Man, what? If it shoot all the way back up there, boy, even if it go halfway, is you mad in the mud, boy, that's about $300-400. On one contract, you be mad in the mud, boy. Talking about, man, it been. And that's when folks be saying, like, man, soon I jumped in the market reverse and shot all the way up because you got in while it was already pushing pretty hard. It didn't do its pullback on everything. Because if you ain't waiting on that pullback, you literally gotta have trail that stop the whole time. Because at any moment it can skyrocket back up. You know. Let me see. I'm finna go see based on that. Just based on our hourly low we was talking about. Let's see how much that mud would have been so far. I can put it on replay. That's what I'm saying, bro. They up here playing. I was trying to eat. Dang, I'm tripping, bruh. I supposed to got in on QQQ short. If I was in here thinking shorts for MNQ, bruh, I could have been holding this whole time there with the options. I'm tripping, boy. I could have made about $300-400 a day. I'm tripping hard, but I'm tripping. That's on me. And I usually do that. You know, I usually whatever I look for MNQ, that's usually what I do. I just go ahead and buy it for my options too, because I'm already bearish on it. Shoot, that right now, if you were to have held, what the current price at, Mel? Because I can't see on replay. Yeah, 25,811. So if you bought it underneath that hourly, you up 595 right now. That's why I said about $600 on one contract. Two contracts, 1,200. You had 1,200 with two contracts. And the good thing about it is, even if you was like, you know what, I'm gonna just sit behind my solidify levels. Them solidify levels so low, you would have still made money, even when it pulled back and break your solidify level. Because when we first broke, the next solidify level was like from probably what? How many points that is? 115 down to 49. So it's like 60 points away was the first solidify level. Then the next solidify level about another 30, 40 points away. Like it had a lot of space from your solidify levels. But so you would have made some bread either way. Yeah. Oh, we getting a pullback now. Man, you ain't even say we're getting a pullback, bro. Yeah, I'm waiting to see the pullback. The daily gap. But it is green, so it could still be trying to go back up. Dang, I'm a little salty. Boy, I could have ate crazy on my options. I don't know what the heck I was thinking, bro. I'm so focused on that dang meta, that I didn't even think about I could just bought QQQ literally. Right here when we was thinking going short on MNQ, I could just bought QQQ because they the same thing. It's just one of the options, one of the futures. So literally, I could just bought the shorts and then held it. Man, it dropped this far. I don't know if I would. I don't know if I would do it that. Yeah, if it was at the very beginning again, like if we could have redid this day, man, I would have bought two QQQ shorts, and I would have watched that MQ soon it broke that hourly gap we was talking about the moment. That mud did it so fast though. Like first 10 minutes of the market, it already done dropped down to the daily gap. You know, it did it so quick. If you weren't watching it at the open, boy, it was too late. All right, is it trying to build an uptrend right here? Let me see. We got high, low. And y'all see what it's gonna do. It's gonna make a lower, lower, higher, high. But I'm gonna call it at 9:30 though. Yeah. Yeah. Look like it's making this uptrend though. Now the thing is, could play that uptrend, but I'm not. It's that hourly low right there, so I don't think I'm gonna take that long yet. I don't know if I'm gonna take the long just yet. Then it look like it's about to leave a 5 minute gap. Nah, I can't take no longs off of that. I would rather for it to come back short, but if we make a higher high here, I probably ain't gonna really be looking for them longs until we get above like 25,910 for real, for real. Just cause it's two 5 minute gaps right now, and that's I don't really like trying to play longs into a gap. You get what I'm saying? I wanted to go past the gap, so pretty much I gotta see it go above that last top gap up there before I start trying to think long. Golly. I told that man, oh my goodness. Dang, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Option wise, I fumbled the ball today, option wise. I missed my dang. I should have got in QQQ, bro. QQQ short would have been paid. Yeah. Would have been. I'm finna go look at the contract right now, see what they sitting there. I know they going stupid right now. Nah, not for real. If it make this lower low, it might be trying to go down to the daily gap at 25 to 25 7 27 on my screen. But I don't know. I don't want to risk it bouncing back up, so I have to see it close below that low. You know what I'm saying? A close below low would do the continuation, but I don't want to get caught in no consolidation. You know, so you gonna look at these options though. Oh yeah, okay, yeah, that's a good day right there. You might look at the worst, risk $50 if you gonna stay trading. So set your mate with it. I don't care what trade you in, risk $50 at the worst. Or just stop. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Or completely stop, bro. Don't get none of it back. Cause I told you just aim for 100 these next 2 days. You made 150. That's above what you need, you know. Cause now tomorrow you could just aim for 50 or 100, you know. Or you can aim for 150 again, and you know what I'm saying. But it make it easier because if you was only aiming for $200 in the next 2 days, well, you just made 150. You know what I'm saying? So enjoy your day. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, it dropped. I told you when you were saying it like it might drop some more. It could drop some more. I ain't saying it won't, but and it dropped so hard that it's a chance that we might start consolidating. You know what I'm saying? Because then it dropped so hard, it's yeah, yeah. So it's really just slowing down a little bit right now. But like I said, enjoy your day. Don't play around with that money. Like I said, I'm getting off at 9:30 anyway, so I'm finna enjoy my day. I just caught about 120 with my boy on mail on the stream. And I told you I already caught about most of my money before the market, so I got straight green trades today. Real good day. I'm gonna enjoy it while I can. Hit them up again tomorrow. Mm-hmm. Mm. That mother been straight red. Straight red. It's trying to get somewhere. That's all it's telling us. It's trying to go down somewhere. It's trying to get to something. That's what that's telling us. It's trying to get somewhere. It's a target that it's trying to get. Dang, man. Soon I look down at my phone. I missed my dang. What you call it? I just missed it. It's sitting right at the daily gap though. If it's gonna try to get in the daily gap, it gotta squeeze hard right here though. You hear me? I just missed that little entry. I was gonna get in when it broke it, and I was gonna bring my stop to break even. You hear me? But it's alright though. Like I said, I ain't sweating because I made good today anyway. I'm gonna see what it's gonna do right here at this hourly gap. I mean this daily gap, and then it's probably it. You hear me? Yeah, because if soon you try to get in, it might bounce right back up on you. You know? Yeah, I think I ain't finna play. I think I'm finna call it now. And it push right back out the daily gap. Yeah, I think I'm about to call it. I ain't about to play with that. I'll probably go just trade options on my phone for a little bit and go make me some money doing something else or something. Yeah, look how that mother pushed all the way up. Boy, I've been mad. I just jumped in those shorts right there. Been down $60. They quit. But- and it might still come back down, but look, I would have been mad seeing it 60. I would have closed it myself. That's what I'm saying, bro. I said, no, can't do that. Cause I would have closed that mud by myself. I would have been mad seeing that mud hit 60. Yeah, for real. Let me close it. Let me end this stream real quick, man. Then I'm gonna chop it up with you for a little bit. Then I'm gonna get out the phone. All right. All right, y'all. That's the end for the day. I'm finna go ahead and end this stream. Of course, we had a nice day. 2 for 2 on the stream today. So nice day. I think, like I said, we could see the market still dropping today, but it didn't drop so far that it kind of made me don't really. I'm not comfortable with trading once it expanded this much. So we're gonna end it right here. And yeah, we almost think we a quarter away that new account on Apex we just bought yesterday. Should we up 600? We only need like 800 more and we gonna pass something like that. So we finna have another new Apex account and hopefully by next week. So all right, y'all have a good one.